Welcome back to Battlezone, the channel where power, design, and technology collide. Today, we're diving into something that's turning heads across the motorcycle world. The new 2025 Kawasaki Rebel 500. A bike that's redefining the modern cruiser with bold style and raw performance. Design and style. The 2025 Kawasaki Rebel 500 takes inspiration from classic cruiser DNA, but with a modern, aggressive twist. It features a low-slung stance, wide handlebars, and a muscular fuel tank that perfectly balance comfort and control. The new LED headlamp, matte black finish, and custom-inspired body lines give it that premium look riders crave. It's a bike that looks just as good parked at the cafe as it does tearing through open roads. Engine and performance. Under the tank sits Kawasaki's proven 471cc parallel twin engine, delivering around 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. It's smooth, responsive, and surprisingly punchy. Perfect for both new riders and experienced cruisers alike. The assistant slipper clutch makes shifting effortless, while fuel injection technology ensures crisp throttle response and impressive fuel efficiency. This Rebel doesn't just cruise, it commands the road. Comfort and ride experience. Comfort is key, and Kawasaki nails it with the low 690mm seat height. Perfect for riders of all sizes. The mid-mounted footpegs and relaxed handlebar angle offer a natural riding posture for long journeys. And with the upgraded Showa suspension system, every ride feels smooth and stable, whether you're gliding through traffic or carving down winding roads. Technology and features. The 2025 model brings in a new digital LCD instrument cluster, offering all the essentials at a glance: speed, gear, fuel, and trip data. Add in ABS braking, LED lighting all around, and Kawasaki's refined frame geometry, and you've got a machine that's both safe and stylish. Conclusion, final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Rebel 500 isn't just a motorcycle. It's an attitude, a statement of independence, and a bridge between tradition and modern performance. If you want a cruiser that looks mean, rides smooth, and feels like freedom on two wheels, the Rebel 500 is calling your name. Outro, call to action. What do you think about the new Kawasaki Rebel 500? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Battlezone, where every machine tells a story of power and passion.